what I've got here is me clowning around, but really what I'm doing is showing you that you can easily do a window pane in a minute or less. It doesn't matter if it's a single paned standard window or whether it's 6 panes of glass like this cottage window. I can still go through the whole process, wiping frames over, cleaning the rubber blade. You can see that the only difference between a pro and an amateur is that once an amateur masters the fundamentals, it's just about increasing arm speed and really getting pretty much automatic like you're driving a car. It's just absolutely automatic. And it's effortless, so what I encourage you to do is just really push through that awkward phase where it feels like you're almost pushing it too fast, and you'll just find that new gear and really start to enjoy your day.